Welcome to today's Inktober challenge, and the word today was chicken. And if you watched my non-roasted rooster compilation, you'll realize that I probably should have kept that one for chicken, but I hadn't read ahead, even though it's all on one page. And so when chicken popped up, I was a little bit I didn't want to redo another chicken, though I do want to do one again in the future because it was a lot of fun. So I decided to do this little chick. It reminded me of Easter and springtime, and it was actually quite a challenge because of the yellow and trying to get the different tones of the yellow. So I made quite a vibrant background, and it was also a challenge because of the little chick's eye. So the only kind of feature that I could realistically use to make it look like a little chick was the eye, and so I did that pretty quickly, pretty early on, to make sure that I wasn't going to scrap this painting. So I really enjoyed this one, and I hope you do as well. Thanks for following along, and thank you for your awesome comments. And tune in tomorrow to see what I do for Inktober. If you are following me on Twitter on the Narrowbird Experience, I've been asking for some prompt ideas as well, because some of the images that I use are, well, I try not to use copyrighted images. So this image was a free image online, but it takes so long to source the images. So I'm really grateful to people on Twitter who have sent me some of their own pictures to help me out through Inktober. Thank you so much. So click the like button and subscribe to be notified. Click the bell, and thanks for watching.